Yogesh, Faculty of Mathematics, and I am here to put excitement back into the education. During the last lecture, we discussed few problems depends upon addition principle, multiplication principle of fundamental principle of counting. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss few more problems depends upon fundamental principle. So here is your first question. There are three candidates for a post, and one is to be selected by the number of ways in which votes can be given. So here we will consider there are the seven voters. So we will consider here the seven boxes. This is for first voter, second, third, and so on up to seven voter. So here first voter can vote three ways, either to the first candidate or to the second or the same thing. The second man can vote like each and in three ways for voting. So the total number of ways multiplication of 3, that means we can write it as 3 to the power 7. You may evaluate the value of it. Now the next question is of the form 4 buses runs between Bhopal and Gwalior. So we have there are the two districts, one is Bhopal, another one is Gwalior. There were 4 buses can run from Bhopal to Gwalior, from Gwalior to Bhopal. 4 buses. Now the next one, if a man goes from Gwalior to Bhopal, look once he travelled from Bhopal by a bus. There are 4 buses from Gwalior. He has a 4 ways. Either a first bus, second bus, third bus. He had 4 choices. And here other bus. So he again travelled from to Bhopal to Gwalior. Already let us assume that from Gwalior to Bhopal by the second bus, we have to cancel out the second bus because he came back by other bus, so he might be now traveled by the first bus or the third bus or the fourth bus. So he has a three different choices to travel from Bhopal to. There are the so total number of ways having as per the multiplication 4 into 3 is 12 ways to travel from Bhopal to Gwalior or Gwalior to. Now the next question is of the form how many words comprising of any three letters of the word universal can be formed. So look once we have to form now a three letter words. So we have three different boxes for the three letter, that means it is the first letter of the three letter word, second letter of the three letter word, and the third letter. In the word universal, how many letters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters we have. Total letters we have. So among them, first place can be filled with any one of the letter among 9. We have 9 different choices. Next, to fill up the second letter, the 3-letter word, we have 8 choices. And to fill up the third letter word, we have remaining 7 choices. So as per the multiplication principle, total number of ways, that means total number of 3-letter words can be found by using the letters in the word universal. We have 9 into 8 into 7 becomes a 504. That means there are 504 three-letter words with or without meaning can be found by using the letters in the word universal without repetition. So this problem we might be try by using permutation also. So total letters in the word universal we have a 9. Among them we have to select any 3. So as per the NPR formula for the permutation we have a n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Where here n is nothing but 9, r is nothing but 3. So we might get 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 factorial. So 9 minus 3 becomes have a 6 factorial. So we can convert now the 9 factorial in terms of the 6 factorial. Likewise, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by, we have a 6 factorial, 6 factorial, and with a 9 into 8 into 7 becomes 504. There were 504 three-letter words with or without meaning can be formed by using the letters in the word universal without repetition. Now the next question is that in how many ways can three in how many ways can 10 true false questions be replied? So now we have, there are 10 questions. So we will assume that there are 10 vacant boxes. Each box implies a one question. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to answer or to reply for the first question, we have, there are the two choices, either a 2, right? Same thing for the second question. We have, there are the third question. Two ways. Then as per the multiplication principle, the number of ways reply to the 10 questions. Very true. We have 2 into 2 into 1 up to into 2 8 keeping. We may write it as 2 to the power. Value is given by 2 to the power 10 is 1020. So there are 1024 ways to reply 10 questions, either a true or false. You might be try this question by using the permutation also. Next question is of the form, how many even numbers of 3 different digits can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep in mind repetition is not allowed. So look, once we have now, we have to form now a 3-digit number, and that should be a even. So under assumption, we have for a 3-digit number, there are the 3 vacant boxes like ones, tens, and hundreds. So it should be a even number. So among the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which digits we have to fill is in the ones place to get digit number as an even number. So once the number ends with a either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 then it becomes your even number. So one's place can be filled with either a 2, either a 4, or a 6, or a 8. So we have a 4 different choices or the ways to fill up the ones place of the 3-digit number. So following which, suppose we will assume that we filled with a 2, so we have to cross out the 2 in the ones place. So how many digits now will remain to fill up the tens place and hundreds place? So we have, there are 8 different choices to fill up the tens place. These 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or among them any one digit can be filled. Now we will assume we fill up the 4 digit is in the tens place. So crossed out the, now how many digits will remain? Exactly the 7. So among the 7 digits, any one digits can be filled over the hundreds place. So as per the multiplication principle, total number of ways, or you might be says that the total number of 3-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9, and that should be the even, equals to, as per the multiplication principle, 7 into 8 into 4, we get it as a 224. You might be try the same problem by using the formula of permutations. Same thing, we are having the 3 vacant places, ones, tens, and hundreds. So among 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, among 4, we have to choose any one digit for a even number. And to fill up now the hundreds and tens place, we have total 8 digits. Among them, we have to select any 2. So as per the multiplication principle, total ways, that is equals to 8p2 into 4p1. So as per the formula, we have 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 2 becomes a 6 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 1 a 3 factorial. Convert now 8 factorial in terms of 6 factorial, we get 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 6 factorial, 6 factorial from numerator denominator. We remain with the 8 into 7 into 4. That becomes exactly 204. So 224 numbers, one numbers of 3 different digits can be found from the digits 1 to 9. Repetition is not. The next question. Find the total number of 9-digit numbers which have all the different digits. So for that we have to consider, for a 9-digit number, 9 different boxes were there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The places are like way ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So now the digits are started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So total 10 digits we are having. So among them, keep in mind to get that the 9-digit number, we have, there are the 9 ways to fill up the first box. Except because once a number start with a 0, here it becomes your 8-digit number, not a 9-digit number. So we have a 9 ways to fill up the first box. So suppose we will assume that among them 5 should be filled up over the 10 crore place. So now we will remain with again the 9 digits were there. So there are the 9 ways to fill up the crore place. following which 8 ways to fill up 10 lakh plus 7 ways to fill up plus 5 ways to fill up 1000 plus 4 ways to fill up plus 3 ways to fill up 10 plus 2 ways to fill up. So we can write it now as per the multiplication total ways or total possible 9-digit numbers into 9 into 7 into 6 5 into 4 into 3 into. We might be multiplied into 1. It doesn't make this might be the formula. Much ways we are having here. So use the permutation concept here. So to fill up the 10th crore place, we have total 9 digits. Among them, select any one, and following which, to fill up now remaining 8 vacant places, we have total 9 digits. Among them, we have to choose any 8. So as per the multiplication principle, we get total ways to be equals to 9p1 into 9p. After all applying the formula, we get 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 1 becomes 8 factorial into 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 8 becomes a 1. So try to convert now 9 factorial in terms of the 8 factorial. We get 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial into, I will keep that 9 factorial as it is, divided by 1 factorial becomes a 1. So 8 factorial getting cancelled. We remained with 9 into 9 factorial. It is. No need to find out the exact into 9 factorial. It may be in terms of cube. That much numbers we can form by using the digits from 0 to 9, and it should be the 9-digit number where the digits are. Look at the next question now. 4 dices, 6 faced dice. Keep in mind, such a 4 dices are rolled. The number of possible outcomes in which at least one die shows a 2. So look at once towards the possible outcomes. We will try by the different possible outcomes become total outcomes after throwing 4 dices. Total outcomes minus the number of outcomes getting or does not getting a 2, because we will require at least 1 2, means we have to find it's a complement, that means none of the 2. So getting not a 2. So the total number of outcome, once a 1 die is thrown, we get the outcomes are of the form either a 1 2 3 4 5. We are having the 6 outcomes. So such a 4 dices are rolled, that means we have total number of outcomes becomes into 6 into 6 into minus. Among them, getting not a 2 means we are having the outcomes are of the form either a 1 3 4 5 or 6. That means we are having the 5 outcomes at that time for a single die. So we are having 4 such a dices. So the possibility or number of ways as per the multiplication principle, we are having 5 into 5 into 5 into. That means 6 the multiplication we are having 4 times. So 6 to the power 4. Same thing for the 5. We are having 5 to the power. No need to find out the exact number. That much number of ways we die shows or the dices shows at least a 1. Now look at the next problem we are having. There are 4 parcels and 5 post offices. Look at carefully. We are having 4 parcels and 5 post offices. In how many different ways the registration of the parcels can be? So for that, at first we are having the 4 parcels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will draw the 4 boxes for them. So the first box having 5 ways, that means should be, first box should be following which total number we are having 5 is the number, that means we are having 620 here. Now look at the next problem. In how many ways can 5 prizes be distributed among 4 students when every student can take 1 or more prizes? That means the repetition is allowed here. So the required number of ways the prizes can be distributed over the 4 students we are having. Here are the 5 prizes. So consider the 5 boxes, like first prize, second prize, third prize, fourth prize, and fifth prize. So a single student goes to the any one student among 4. So each box is fulfilled with the 4. So the total number of ways to distribute 5 prizes over the 4 students, such that a student can take 1 or more prizes. We have total number of ways becomes 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That means 4 to the power. You may find the number. We get 1024 value. That much number of ways. So to distribute 5 prizes over the 4 students, such that a student can take 1 or more, have 1004. Now look at the next problem. Having it is of the form. In a train, 5 seats are vacant. In many ways can 3 passengers to be seats? So look once. We are having the 3 passengers. For them, we have to consider 3 boxes. Like first passenger, second passenger, third passenger. The 5 vacant places. So the first passenger go anywhere among the 5 seats. Following which, once we have there are the 5 seats are numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose first passenger seated over the third seat. So now we have there are the 4 vacant seats. So the second passenger having the ways for or C can be over any one, following which Suppose we will assume that the second over the fifth element, so the third is the number of we are having 5 into 4 into